Hello everyone, today we're diving into When People Messed with the Wrong Cops, a collection of unbelievable moments where bad decisions met instant karma. Get ready for real dashcam action and lessons learned the hard way.
How's it going? We can go in here and talk.
A bold theft at Walmart was quickly exposed when a man tried to cheat the self-checkout system. He only paid for one outfit, but stuffed 2 large bags full of merchandise. Police caught on fast and used a taser to subdue him when he tried to run. The law sees every action you think you've hidden.
Really on the west side of Walmart.
Hey, look, let me tell you something.
Put your f***ing hands behind your back!
Hey, let me talk to you. Hey, sir. Look, sir.
966, we got one.
Sir, can I please talk to you?
In Florida, what seemed like a simple vehicle repossession quickly turned into a confrontation. As the tow truck driver was recovering a Hyundai, the owner suddenly jumped inside to stop him. When officers arrived, the woman still refused to get out. After repeatedly ignoring commands, she was ultimately arrested.
I don't want to remove you from the car. If you don't want to remove from this guy's door, you don't have to remove from the car. Okay, perfect. I'll step back so that you know that I'm not going to remove from the car. So, he told me this side. Break it down from the beginning. What did occur to you?
I came out here, came to my car. My company knows this is the deferral of payment for October because of the hurricane that happened. Because we were out of work. Clearly some dickhead didn't do that. So it made it seem like it's wrong. And my payment of $60K not even. That's what I'm pissed off about.
So, this morning, knock on the door?
I heard it.
Did you knock on the door?
No,
So you heard the what? Okay, I'm telling you right now.
no, I'm on the phone.
I'm watching you. I'm telling you right now.
No, y'all not just telling me like I have the right to know.
The mouse part.
I have the right to know. Say that.
Over that way. Over that way. Relax. Relax.
Get off of me! Relax! You need to tell me why you're arresting me.
I'm gonna tell you in 6 seconds.
No, you're not. That's good. I'm a sue y'all.
Okay, that's fine.
I got some fucking issues.
Police received a call about a group of teens fighting in the middle of the street. When officers arrived, they tried to intervene and break up the crowd. Causing chaos right in front of the police never ends well. Those teens will likely regret their actions soon enough.
Get up.
An airline repeatedly asked a woman to leave the plane, but she refused to cooperate, forcing the crew to call police. Even after officers boarded, she continued arguing and resisting. They had to arrest her so the airline could continue operations. The situation became chaotic as she screamed and kicked at the officers, and she'll soon pay the price for that behavior.
So what I need you to do is come with me. We need to talk to you off the plane about what's going on. Okay? Okay, but right now, you're going to come talk to us off the plane. Okay? The flight attendants have asked you to exit the plane, so we don't want to have a fight about this. We don't want to stop. Okay. Ask you to come off the plane. The flight attendants have asked you to get off the plane already. Because they need you off the plane.
I paid for my flight to leave. Are you going to get me there? Are you going to get me at 11:30 p.m. when I pay for my flight?
No, we got your bag and your phone.
Sir, I'm so confused. My God. Did someone just explain this to me? Please?
Nope.
No, my flight lands in...
Hey,
No, what?
stop fighting with us.
No, literally what?
All right, here we
I don't even know what my other...
go. We got it.
I don't even know what I did. And these assholes are arresting me for...
What's going on?
Police approached a suspect reported to be carrying a weapon. The situation escalated when he resisted and opened fire on officers. When things spiral out of control, the law shows no leniency.
Put your hands up your side!
Put your hands out to your side!
Put your hands...
A tense chase unfolded on the streets of Columbus. It began when officers spotted a stolen car linked to an armed robbery. Two young suspects led police across multiple roads, and at one point the stolen Hyundai crashed head-on into a patrol car. In the end, running and defying the law only made the consequences worse. No matter how far you try to flee, the law will follow. Police arrived after reports of a man acting erratically. When ordered to come out, he emerged holding two knives and moved toward the officers. Choosing to attack police only leads to the worst possible outcome.
It's in a case, but it's in his hand.
A tense standoff broke out in Lancaster when a suspect carrying a machete ignored police commands and walked into a crowded store. Even after officers used a taser and batons, nothing stopped him. The situation peaked when he suddenly charged at the police while still armed. Faced with an immediate threat, shots were fired. The law does not show mercy to those who violently resist.
Stop! Everybody get down! Come on. Put your hands up! Everybody back up! Back up! Get out of there!
A group of disruptive customers at a McDonald's forced police to intervene. Even after officers arrived, they continued arguing and resisting. Tensions rose when one man tried to walk away. Officers immediately restrained and arrested him. What seemed like a minor disturbance escalated into unexpected chaos. Resisting law enforcement never comes cheap.
Sit down. What are you talking about? Hostile. This is me. Hey, Rachel. Get in the car. They just said we gotta leave or they're afraid to take us to jail. Get in the car.
Don't touch her though. Don't grab her.
I can grab her.
Have some. I don't care who she is.
I certainly took my glasses away from the door. And I just still grab my whole. What? Oh, okay. Man, come on so we can slide, man. Let's just slide. Man, I'm gonna walk off. I'm gonna walk off. I'm gonna walk off because you sit here like a big fuck. Exactly. Fuck the car. They're not going. Okay, no, okay. I'm not gonna make you run. No, you ain't gotta call that. What I'm just saying. I don't know that. You here. Man, why you? Reach on the back. Put your hands on the back. Get around. What am I doing? If I hear my people, so I can go home. Shut the fuck up. You ain't going back here.
Don't turn this into something that you don't need it to be, okay? Sorry.
A routine traffic stop quickly turned tense. The woman who caused an accident refused to cooperate even after officers calmly explained the situation 6 times. Her stubbornness pushed things out of control and she ended up in handcuffs for obstructing law enforcement.
Your insurance card for the accident report. Are you refusing to open the window? Because I think you know what's going to happen if you do that. You don't need to turn that into something. Yeah, I need you to get out of the car or I'm going to break the window and take you out. I already explained it to her past that. Alright, I'm just asking for your driver's license and your insurance card.
Are you dead serious? You finna act like that's what you've been asking me for this whole time?
What have I been asking?
Shut the fuck up. Why am I pulled up?
6 times? Want to go 6?
Why are you asking? You want to take me to jail? Take me to jail. Look, I don't want to go to jail. I mean, give me the fuck out of here. Y'all have no right to arrest me.
The school fight didn't end with the students. After it was determined that his son had started the altercation, a parent was called in to speak with the school. Instead of cooperating, the man argued nonstop, denied all responsibility, and eventually started a fight himself. His actions led to his arrest shortly afterward.
So,
We are talking about kids that are foolish. Now I'm telling you, I'm talking to you. Okay, yes, I am with you. Guess what? Because I think this guy. Do you feel proud that you are this worthless lady? Do you feel this proud that you are this worthless? Shut the f up because I gave you salary because, okay? You are the worthless piece of shit. Yeah, hold that. No wonder no wonder you're fucking down. Oh, don't worry, we're gonna keep this high. You are a worthless right here.
A foolish mistake cost this man dearly. After yelling in the face of a security officer, police approached to defuse the situation. Instead of calming down, he chose violence. Within seconds, he was completely subdued in the middle of the airport. This robber picked the wrong victim and paid for it with his freedom. When he attacked a woman on the street, he had no idea she was an off-duty police officer. She expertly took him down. It was likely the most expensive lesson of his life. Running from the police only leads to harsher punishment. This guy will soon regret trying to flee.
Go ahead, Migo. You got it, boy.
I don't mean to be a sergeant, but damn, this news, bro.
Don't challenge the law. One reckless second is enough to cost you dearly. When people push the limits, the wrong cops always remind them why it's a bad idea. What do you think? Who got the fastest karma and which moment shocked you most? Let me know below.